Hi everyone, I'm Error Slayer and today, I'll show you how to insert a QR code in Canva. First, if you have a QR code and want to add it to your Canva design, click on Uploads in the menu on the left. Then click on Upload Files. Select the QR code and click Open. Insert the uploaded QR code to your design by clicking it once. Now you can position it however you like. So how do you create a QR code if you don't have one? Click Apps in the menu on the left. Type QR code into the search bar and press Enter. Click the first one. Paste the URL you want to convert to a QR code here. You can also choose colors and margins by clicking Customize. Finally, click Generate Code and create a QR code to add to your design. I hope this tutorial video on how to insert a QR code in Canva was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video.